Hello everybody, today I would like to show you how we repair tubeless tire. So as you can see here, I just got a nail in the tire, so we will remove it and then we will fix it. But before that, you have to make sure your tire is tubeless. For that, you'll just check on the side of your tire that it says tubeless. So the tools we will be using is, this one is the marker. This is to remove the screw from the tire, and then different tools in order to fix it. And here the pump, of course, to pump it again, the air inside. So let's go and start. Now, first of all, we mark where is the hole, so in case we don't have trouble finding it after we remove the screw. So we mark around the screw, okay, and then we have to remove the screw, which wasn't so much. So this screw is way too small to make the damage on the tire, so never mind. See you on the next video.